Hello everyone, welcome to today to New York Open. I didn't know we had started, so there we go! Alright, 2 seconds. Sorry. Sorry. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good whatever that is, wherever you are in this world. Welcome to this stream today. So good afternoon, whatever that is for you. Today we're gonna go through some reasons of why market is moving where it's moving. I feel like I'm a bit low today. Oh, there we are. Looks good. Looks good. Thank you. Maybe I should make myself bigger. Whoa. Well, that's good content, isn't it? Well, because right now we can just go, from this, and then we can just use this side of the screen, right? Whoops. There we go. So, what is moving the market right now? Ukraine thing is still an ongoing thing that I can't really explain. Like, America is like, they're the aggressive ones. They're like, there can be anything, anytime. Russia is bad. And then Russia's like, well, we are going home. And then someone's saying, well, they're just changing whoever went to practicing together for exercises is not going home because they're tired. And so they're explaining it as this is just a normal thing. Well, I don't care. I don't know. I don't bother. But it makes market go up and down. So I'm tired of it. Like, politics, really? Good night. So we have Amir. Fueling before the singing, dancing, and some market analysis. Mr. Is it Amir? I need help from you. Oh no, I forgot what it was. So today I have been wait, I've been searching for something. I may have found it, and it's called, I was given those dates by a very lovely lady. It's not that packaging anymore, but it looks like in Doha or something like that. I don't know what it's called. I honestly don't know what it's called. It looks like this. It looks like it looks like that one actually. So I was given like that by a very beautiful lady, and very nice lady, by the way. And I'm like, does anyone know where to get them? Like, it was from Qatar, so I don't live in Qatar, so I don't have like access to it. So does anyone know? They look so delicious. I know it's food channel. I'm sorry, but I just need to. If there's anyone from Middle East that knows where to get them, call me. Call me. Yeah. So I don't know if Amir or Raman. Yeah, I know it was Denise, and I am absolutely terribly exhausted by it. So, dollar comes back down to the level I wanted us to, and then now we are going a bit higher. Other than that, nothing else than that. Okay. Somebody is wait, what? Yeah, so that's okay, that's good. And then S&P 500, I bought it yesterday at, I don't know what the price was, but somewhere around 44, 57, 59, 60, whatever. So I'm around break even right now. Went higher today, woohoo! But yeah, so it's okay. It's okay. So what's moving the market right now? If I went and I saw Danske Bank, what is it, 11th of February? No, is it this one? Or was it this one? Yeah. So I don't want to show you this one though. But so the reason is that we still have the Fed, we still have the increase of interest rates, and we still have the possibility of dollar bullishness for whatever reasons. But now Ukraine has gone a bit away, and that can also send the markets a bit lower. But I still think that we might be into something higher. So, and I said yesterday 14,448, and we got that. So there you go. Congratulations on that. So another successful day at the office, I would say, and then higher high, higher low, bada bing, bada boom, until we break 14,000. Still bullish here. Vikram asks or says, I hope everything is okay. Everything is good. Good. So, other than that, I would say, is there anything to trade right now? Is there good trades? Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, might come back down to this level, and that would be well, that's good if you're a buyer. But if you're a seller on Aussie, I don't know. It doesn't look very promising, but you have to have a new low continuation that kind of before it happens, because what we did earlier this week was we had some really good setups, right? And then we hit targets which we wanted, and then we didn't hit targets, but we went back up again. So for me, it's more I don't like seeing that. I'd either want to see a price coming up to 72, 40, and 50 so we can have a proper sell. But if you fall from here, I don't know. But you have the risk of RBA turning more bullish soon, because we have of Australia opening up. So that might send Aussie higher, but that's the risk of the downside. But by all cases, okay, breathe. In any case where dollar is strong, Aussie is gonna fall, no matter what. I'm looking at the market for volatility on the meeting minutes. Maybe. Also, there is a lot of CPI this morning, so there is a lot of movers this morning. You have UK CPI better than expected. Might lead to some more pound strength, by the way. So there's plenty of something today. So there is also 20 minutes until CPI from Canada and retail sales of America. Retail sales isn't that important, but CPI is definitely important for the Canadians, Increase of interest rates. Shouldn't gold go up? Not in particularly, no. Or it would actually make gold fall more than anything else. What's up with oil today? OPEC said this morning that demand is bigger than supply. Well, that is by far just a realization of what is happening in the market right now, because oil is at 91, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is very high. So there is plenty of demand more than supply. The question is Iran going online, and competition authority, markets surveilling authority in Germany that was looking into Russia, that Russia was supplying less gas than they were supposed to. So that's also interesting that we might be seeing some punishment there, because that Russia is artificially trying to create higher nat gas prices just to make more money. That's very interesting. Sup, nobody, how are you? I'm very good. Euro USD, please. Do you look at expiring Forex options? I do so. But lately it hasn't been very. It hasn't been very aggressive to either sides. So I've just been, I'm not really bothered to bring it up to you guys because, well, first of all, you need to really understand it. But the other side of it, it's not that great, right? So we see that was on Monday, so we are now Tuesday, Wednesday. There isn't a lot of, well, maybe there was something expiry at 1400 on Wednesday, but it's not a lot of volume. So traders or hedge funds are not really adding a lot of new. They don't have a lot of conviction. They are really on the fence at the moment. So that's more of the situation that we are waiting for this waiting for this situation to get resolved. So how does that move the markets? How does that imply on your trading? It does much imply on your trading, but I would also advocate for market is still okay. Market is still okay. I watched S&P before trading Aussie. Cool. Okay. So if you look into Euro USD as we have ahead of us, I have made some remarks earlier today in the VIP, and it really comes down to, this level here. Are we gonna hold? And that is the level to hold if you're a buyer on Euro, and so far right now you have pretty good, you have a pretty good entry, you have a pretty good, we are basically in profit more than anything else. So yeah, good on you. I don't know which price you got, but there it is. Support and resistance, support and retest. Other than that, I don't have any else to add here, I guess, because it's the scalp, it's the trade. So maybe we can come a bit lower, but this is definitely the level you want to look forward to buying in every case, educational wise only. But yeah, I didn't buy it because I'm not a buyer in Euro. But if I was a buyer, I would be very angry with myself if I didn't take that buy. So right now, if I'm as a seller, I'm still waiting for a break of 1340 to see what is going to happen next. So on the 15-minute time frame, very much bullish so far still. So cool. Nobody asks about pivot points on Euro Swissy. That's okay. I can do that quickly, fast, and less pain. So I will go to the monthly first, and I would show it clear as a day. Buy, take profit, sell it again, buy, at support again. So right now the question mark, I don't know. It has taken profit for buyers. Buyers should be out. Sellers got their initial sell. I don't know if that sell is going to continue. That is a more of a low probability trade. The high probability is that, and then that, and the rest is kind of history. If we go down to weekly, we'll go down to 1 hour. What is happening right now on the here we have the sell, here we have the sell. So yeah, maybe, but it's mostly monthly running it, and not weekly, and then that might send it lower, but also the pressure from Ukraine is out, so it's a low probability trade. I would not trade Euro Swiss at the moment. Have you shown a USD CAD? Lorengo? No, I haven't. How do you use the expiry options? So how I use the expiry option is if you have a high, like a lot of expiry on Euro at a specific price, that is going to be used as either support if price is above, or is going to be used as resistance if it's below. And or it can also be used, in some cases, being used as a catalyst to go higher. But mostly it's price wants to go to that price in the hours before the expiry, before falling. So they kind of want to get up to that price before repricing it again. So right now, there isn't a lot of it. So there we go. USD was asked for, and I understand that CAD is interesting to use. Dollar CAD is interesting to trade, but in all fairness, it's a big range, and it hasn't been performing at all. The range is 100 pips, 120 pips, 130 pips. To me, that's just a small petty range that I won't add anything there. I won't trade there. I won't bother. I will look at it. It's a range. I will move on to the next pair. So the reason for that is I don't know if that is going to hold or that is going to hold. So in a range, you might have, levels being held here, and the next one comes down and stops out all those, and then goes back up again to the same highs. And if you're going back up here again, we're probably going to break a bit higher before falling again. So I have lost too many money to trying to catch the bottom or trying to sell the top. And I have been left with trying to trend that instead of that. I'm not that I took that one, but I would rather take a trend than to take a range. God eftermiddag, Tiago. Tusen takk. Thank you very much. Do you use order flow or footprints in daily analysis? No, I don't know what that is, and I have no experience with that. No. Hello, investor. How are ya? So right now, people, is how do you make a plan for the future? Okay, let's do New Zealand dollar for example. Okay, how do you make a plan for the future fundamentally? You have to look into, for example, New Zealand. How is New Zealand doing so far? Not doing too great at the moment, but, or maybe not. New Zealand seasonality for February and March, where we have in February pretty range bound, where we in March tend to end February low, come back up again, sell, and end March very low before going higher. Okay, that is one theory. Another theory is what is the current trading economics for New Zealand. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. 3.2 on unemployment is pretty good. It's very good. It's very good for New Zealand. And then we have inflation. It is very high. So if you then are fundamentally, because of those two, are looking into what if New Zealand rises? Okay, I would say so far on New Zealand for February that we have been rather range bound, right? We have also priced in a whole ton of risk in January, coming then to February. Okay, and then what do we do now? How do we trade this? So market is not at the moment agreeing with a bullish bias. I would then say that, okay, down here is your demand zone. Here is your resistance zone. And as long as you are still holding that level of 60, 50, 65, 90, you are able to still keep your bullish bias for New Zealand only. Is it better to trade New Zealand yen in the same time frame? The New Zealand yen is kind of the same thing. Okay, But is it better to trade New Zealand CAD? Just to trade the New Zealand theory? And we're still having the same issue. We haven't really created a trend, but we have all come down to the same level at around 7th of February and around 2nd of February. We have made a low there, and then we have gone higher again. And then we have kind of tipped out at around 10th of February. So if we look at seasonality only, where we see that market might fall down to 1st of March, there is maybe a buy there, or we might even wait until April, which has way stronger seasonality pattern. So I would say one thing: when the market doesn't move as you want to, you wait for the break of time. Where can trends end? When can trends start? And 1st of the month is a good start. So we have a downtrend here coming down into February. What has happened 1st of February? It starts pulling back. Just saying. Okay, something has been happening in my chat without me knowing it. Okay. I will look at New Zealand yen. I can go back there. Yeah, straighter. Yeah, good. On the Forex market. Yeah, I know there's a guy on YouTube that talks about it. What is that? Is it Nivan? No. G7FX, I think it's called. He's talking about volume and stuff, but his course costs $1,000, so that's that. But if we go back to your questions, if we can find it, no, I can't find it. So, do you use order flow or footprints in your daily analysis? No, and that's basically because I haven't been trained, or found information on it. Maybe there is out there. Maybe I should start googling more. But yeah. So yeah, I will look into it. But yeah, okay, cool. New Zealand yen. So, there's always going to be that war of, there's always going to be that war of what is bullish, what is bearish. Where are we going to buy, where are we going to sell, So, these zones will shift as the market moves around. Don't come out for me and say it was money printed. So, that's kind of what I see right now. Maybe that level there, maybe because of those lows there. So so right now I see price being at resistance. Kasasa, what happened to jokes? There's ups and downs. I'm human. Some good, some days are good, some days are bad, and my coffee has ended, so I might not have the energy for it. Sorry. Yeah. Then I'm onto it. Yeah. Then I've heard about that, and that's the only way to trade that market. As far as I know, as far as I understand. As a swing trader, day trader, but I don't use that much, what do you call it? I don't use technical analysis per se. Well, I use technical analysis for S&P 500 per se, but I'm a more long term, so it doesn't really bother me from day to day. But yeah, definitely. Yeah. James, have you said something before? Yeah, you haven't asked for anything, have you? Okay. Okay. If you have anything more to ask for, James, I'm happy to have you. He's too serious, he says. Do you know what, Casasa? Do you want to know about my life? What's really going on in my life? So say yes if you want to, but no, I will not tell you. If you don't want to, but yeah. So for New Zealand yen, it's a battle. Choose one team, that's all. Do I have a specific direction? Yes, I have for myself, but I'm very okay with it going higher, and there might be money for it to go higher, and then whatever. Most traders use green and red candles, but I've been blue. Nebadi. Because I want to stand out. I like it better. I like blue. So, you know, it's just, I don't know. So right now on New Zealand yen, for me to sell it again, I need to have a reversal here. I don't have a reversal right now, so I would see more shorter term bearishness before I can sell it. So other than that, it looks very bullish. And that's kind of not what I want to see, but it is what it is, I guess. So the next price on the pivot points is more like at this level here, that I want to see a rejection. That fits. That's okay. So I would say that those two levels. So this level didn't hold. And then I'm waiting for 77.30 level to be reacted to. Denise! What? What are you doing, Denise? What are you doing? No, wait. I'm clicking wrong things here. What? Thank you very much. You don't need to. Oh. Thank you. I'm really appreciative. Wow. That doesn't happen often. Wow. Oh, what can I say? Thank you. Wow, thank you. That really makes my day. Oh. You know, life, you know. Thank you. Nah, it's my seriousness comes from lack of sleep, worrying about these things and making sure that I make good content for you, and I try to understand the markets as good as I can, and I twist my brain out, and I probably just need a holiday more than anything else, and just come and just take a couple of days off, and so I can regain energy, because right now I'm really flat down, because I'm just going. There's always something to do. There's always something. So I sleep 4 to 6 hours a night, and I really need 9. And I've done that for quite some time of this year. So I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, you know, I'm really appreciative, Dennis. You didn't need to, but yeah, thank you very much. Chico Mamma Mia. Oh, somebody should have a happy day. Okay. Should you have a nice joke then? Yeah. So news is coming out now. What is it? Consumer price is lower year over year. Retail sales is way higher. Okay, interesting. That's interesting. Retail sales is 3.8, 4.8. Shit. Okay. And then CPI is 0.8 instead of 0.4 month over month, but year over year we are down 4.3. Also, it's still high. But that's weird. And then that's core though, isn't it? Yeah, it's core. 0.9 month of a month. Consumer price 5.1. Okay. So that is 3. What are they saying? 3.8? Or retail sales? Yeah, okay, retail sales. Yeah. So what does this lead to? Initially, I would think this would lead to dollar bullishness. Initially, that's just my first thought. And then this is CAD bullish-ish. Like I don't understand why that is so low. So that's a bit divergence there, but okay, I guess maybe it was a really high last year, but yeah. Can you give me a massage, Kasasa? Nah, I think what is really important. I don't know if it's important for me though, but I think that what really works for me is that I have a community. You're not gonna leave me, just because I don't perform very well lately, and that you still believe in me. I guess I think that's what's really. Yeah, I think that's what's really coming down to. I think because there's a lot of help in believing, even though you can mess up for a whole year, if you still believe. But yeah. Nobody says knock knock, open the door. I'm here. Okay. Euro is falling a bit on the news. If that is to find more buyers, is that actually to fall? I actually sold yesterday. I actually sold euro dollar on the move. I didn't tell anyone because it was a fast move anyways. So I'm just gonna move to that one probably. That's better. There we are. And then I went to account history, and then I sold euro there and there. Oh, wrong euro. I sold euro there and there. I sold euro on the break lower, and then took profit here. So I got like $1 out of it, more than anything else. So it's the new news, and then it didn't fall through. So whatever. And if you're wondering if I make losses, yeah, I do make losses. So don't worry. Yeah, no, what I should do, I should actually go to jokes. I know there's a good joke in there. I know I can tell a good joke. I didn't get that one. Maybe that's the reason. What do you call? Nah, I can't say that. That's actually bad. Yeah, no, it's good, but it's, that's interesting. The wife had just phoned me to tell me that 3 women in her office has received flowers today, and they were absolutely gorgeous. I said, that's probably why. If I'm going to explain the joke, is that the reference is not 3 flowers, but a flowers is 3 women. So that they got flowers because they were beautiful. Also the reference of men not ever receiving flowers. But yeah. JT says, why do cows wear bells? To let the farmer know they're coming because their horns don't work. Yeah, Denise got it. Yeah, that's because we are female. Why do ants never get sick? Because they have teeny antibodies. That was actually good. Why am I laughing? Mm. Wait, is that a joke? Is that what it is? Oh, there was no answer to that? Come on, mate. What's your answers, mate? I have a good one. How does a computer get drunk? It takes screenshots. I love that joke, Denise. I really love that one. I really love that one. Did you know that 10 plus 10 and 11 plus 11 is the same? It's because 10 plus 10 equals 20 and 11 plus 11 is 22. Yeah. Do you know what the best part about dating 28-year-olds? Do you know what the best part about dating 28-year-olds? Is because it's 20 of them. If I get back to it, I don't care. Yeah, white cola, no fear. Yeah. Okay, let's. Math isn't really my strong points. Yeah, true. Yeah, I remember this joke about mathematics as well. Like, have you heard about the guy that was not good at math? He couldn't do the equations. No, I had to be sure that one. Anyways. It's bad humor time now. I know. It's all worth it. It's all worth it in the end, you know. Because Denise made my day. Denise has all the honor today. We can look at DJ. Okay, fair enough. You sold what? 157 or something like that. Yeah, I can't find it right now, Harold. 157. Yeah, okay. Cool. So that is, what is it? 20 pips in profit, give or take. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. I probably wouldn't because of the CPI lately now, so I would just stay away from selling pound. Because of CPI there. 5.5 instead of, and also 0.1. Everything is better than expected, so CPI is still rising, so I wouldn't. But yeah, no, it's, yeah, I guess everyone is buying it. Everyone's buying it, I guess. Anyways. Yeah, everyone is selling it. So you're selling it with the retail traders? What are you doing? So what's that about? So everyone's selling it and it's high. So once it turns around, it will continue falling. But the more it rises, the more they sell. So We're not that extreme yet. We are not at up at 70,000. I need to be higher net before we sell. We have to go down to. I don't think the reversal comes before we hit 20%, like 80-20, like really aggressively higher. Then we probably can fall again. But yeah. I am on ID sentiment, you. Nabadi, he is here. On my e-winners, he is here. E-winning strategy, he is there. There he is. This is the cutie guy. That's the guy. That's Abbas. He's here. I blasted your phone number, bro. Sorry. That wasn't on purpose. I think that pound yen is going to 158 and then fall. I absolutely agree. So more than anything else, euro is falling hard. Oh no, I guess just 1 hour. Okay. But yeah, so that didn't make the market do much more than whatever is happening. So pound yen. There we are. Forecast EMA, 1 hour chart. So where are we right now? We are currently in a bullish direction. We have closed above that one. Not that matters, but we still have. So we still have bullish potential. If we are going to have bearish potential, we need to be below the 200. We need to be below the 55. We need to be, and then the 21 needs to be like that. So if then that we are going to have a market that is saying, hey, let's go lower, we need to also agree with that. So right now we are kind of like, if ever, we are like that, where we are in a range and we haven't broken lower yet. So we might be like here, where we are still just waiting for it to fall. But more than anything else, I would say that this market right now is probably like that, where we have stopped and paused a bit before we start rising again. So I don't know if that's going to happen like that fast though, but I feel like we're still bullishly, we're still just waiting for it to return higher. That is technically. Then we have CPI making this one go higher. Then we have yen, who's also strong, but generally should probably be weak because that's the only one getting crushed at the moment. So maybe there is some continuous downside of it. We came down to this level and we get bounced pretty hard. So yeah, more than anything else. Oh, I haven't shown my charts in a long time. I'm sorry. Er det mulig? Nei. Hæ? I've been drawing everything for you guys. I've been... Oh. What else can go wrong today? Okay, let's take a moment of peace here. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I need to do right now. Okay, can I go and grab some coffee? Literally, people, I need coffee. I don't know what's going on here. Sorry, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the stream. Winner, chicken dinner. What have you guys been talking about since I saw? So everyone's like, I can't see charts. Chart is stuck. Forgot to switch screens, I guess. Yeah. So, what should we do? The stream is bring your own coffee. Yeah, definitely. And now I need to wait for that coffee to get back down. And then Harold, you're like, well, there's so much caffeine in Pepsi Max. I don't know about that though. Pound yen. Let's go back. Oh, it's falling. I don't want it to fall. Why is it falling? Well, I still haven't seen any withdrawals of any Russians yet, so OPEC says there's no resolution to the meeting. Okay, there's no resolution to the high oil prices. Okay. Russia will demand NATO publicly state its refusal to accept Ukraine. South Korea and Iran are negotiation to resume oil and production imports. Okay. Russia to envoy to Europe reportedly says that there will be no escalation of Ukraine. Yeah, call the IT department. I will ask you. Did you remember to start your computer? Can you please restart your computer? Did you remember to plug it in? Did you remember? Do you know how to put this put the screen on? I feel proud that the first coffee discovered is here from Ethiopia. Call this coffee. Yeah, I've gone to the coffee shop by itself. I've gone to yeah. What? Why is pound falling so hard? Should we sell it? It's late now. I feel like everything is falling. Oh, I can't sell it. But yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't. It's gonna be without me. So GG. I want this to hold this level here. First of all, I didn't as a buyer. That didn't happen. Then this has to happen. As a seller, we have that level there. Good on you. A red, orange pound, and then we will turn that into resistance if we continue to break lower. So right now it is going to be sellers are in control, but a break of here is going to make, market turning bullish again. So technically right now, where are we going? Nowhere. But yeah, if I start selling now, I probably get stopped out at full stop loss anyways. But this looks very interesting right on the 5-minute chart. Not that anyone cares, but it is not bearish yet here. But it definitely is interesting that we have a double top, we have a lower low, we have our lower low. That means that any pullback can be seen to be going to the downside, to the dark side. God bless Ethiopia, yeah. So dollar rising, yeah. Also, it came down to the level I wanted it to come down to more than anything else. So S&P is not rising. Nasdaq is not rising at all. And then we have US 30. Tja. I don't like it being stuck for so long though. It's pretty stuck. Stuck. I don't like that though. But a fake out of 157 to 154-ish, but need money over 50 25 shifts daily. Buy on monthly something. And we'll eat balls. Is Euro a buy level at 114.60? I would say Euro is a buy if it goes above 1400, yeah. So anything above that is probably the best level. So right now, what is kind of the market move here is that we are seeing markets contradicting itself. No clear direction. Market hasn't decided what they really want to do, so it's really just it's really just a matter of who's going to win in the end, and then we are probably already on the late side anyways. USD ZAR Kasasa is still the same, nothing has changed, still a range. So yeah. Any thoughts of why dollar yen is falling? There was retail sales 2 seconds ago, so that's probably one force of it. Why yen is getting strong? Maybe the market is pricing in yet again the Russian tension. Other than that, I don't have any specific reasons. I only know that was the sell price. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. And there we go. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. And then that's that. I don't know what else. It's in a range. It has found its buyers. So how do you trade the market, peeps? My lovely people. There it is, spot on, and there it is, spot on. Those are the two levels market has decided on. They will sell or buy. So right now we are in the range. So is it falling hard? No, not really, because market is really pushing it lower from here, and market is pushing it higher from here, and then we're turning into a range. So it's not like I predicted that, but that's what the market has done, more than me saying you should have bought it or should have sold it. Are you planning to sell Euro at 1400? I would love that. Probably, yeah. 1400, 1420 more than anything else, probably. 1400, 1410, yeah, ish, level, ish, if we get there, yeah. Michael, I'm reacting out of where you say that I believe that whatever information you give to me is absolutely spectacularly accurate, okay? So I would say this is your buy level. First of all, that is 1360, and then you said 1446. Yeah, probably not. So with pivot points for today, the real buy zone for today is 1343. That was the aggressive buy. And then we have already taken profit for today. So that's why we're seeing aggressive folding, and then we might do that tomorrow. But anything else. You mess with the bulls and you get a bear attack. Yeah. We have looked at Aussie dollar plenty of time today. I'm not going to show you the content of this guy, but there's this guy on YouTube called just to explain everyone the reference. This guy, for those who knows this guy, he Aperture, he goes around and ice skates, and he jumps into the ocean for no reason whatsoever. Yeah, there we are. Or Thin Eyes. If you look at the video, Thin Eyes, 18 million views. Aperture. I'm not gonna. Yeah, can I show it without? Well, if I'm getting copyright tomorrow, I don't care. Chainsaw. And into the ocean. Yeah, so he goes around and he drinks whatever and he does this. Do you guys prefer vodka or beer? Abdul prefers vodka by all means. So, White cola. Oh yeah, sorry Denise. By the way, Denise is the most amazing person today. She gave me $5. I am absolutely over the moon. You will never ever hear me complaining about doing that. You will never need to do it, and I'm super appreciative. And I have a spreadsheet of everyone who does that, and you have a special heart and I will always remember it. Even if it's $5, for some it's many, for some it's little, but for me it is the thought behind it. So yeah, thank you very much. So going through the markets, Aussie dollar has hit target for the day already. It didn't hit target earlier today, so that would say that 71.40 is a good buy level for tomorrow, by all means. I have given up on the sells at the moment. Euro, it's still very bullish-ish. It's right now I don't have a clear bias. I don't have a clear direction. I don't have a clear. Maybe we'll get a sell here. If then I will tell you guys. But right now it's, I don't know. I don't care too much. I don't want to lose. Pound dollar, it's just in a range. Euro New Zealand, just in a range. New Zealand dollar coming down a bit now again. So maybe if we break lower, we can get a better buy sell tomorrow. Pound yen falling pretty hard. So that would be a fantastic sell tonight. If it does go back up again. USD CAD coming back up again. Aussie yen making a new low right now. I love that. So double top. And then pull back and then maybe sell tomorrow. CAD yen. Euro yen. The yens are doing well, great right now. So I think it's yen strength and I need to understand why. Yen is strengthening other than Europe is not seeing any change, any evidence of them withdrawing. So I don't know. I don't know. Julian says, when you drink coffee too much, that's what you will do. I don't know if I will be copyright strike tomorrow. I don't care. If this stream goes down tomorrow, we had fun. What it lasted. We had fun when it lasted. That's what happens. $13.47. Ciao. Fair enough. Also, it's pretty fantastic. But by the way, people, is there anyone who has liked? Well, I know Denise does. I'm not talking to Denise. Anyone else? Have you guys liked the stream today? Have you guys liked what you have done today? I'm not leaving yet, but have you guys liked it? Has it been interesting? And I'm still wondering if there anyone that could supply me with that specific thing. I don't live in Qatar. I can give you my address if you don't scam me. But yeah. Look at that. Is it expensive? I don't know if it's expensive even. I don't know the price even of it. But yeah. Somebody gave it to as a gift. Absolutely fantastic people who did it. So yeah. If anyone. Does anyone knows what it is? What it's called other than that? I can shop it. Can I shop it? Oh, add to cart. Do they send it to Norway? Deliveries maybe. Yeah. Delivery details. Shipping details. Safe shipping. Oh. Okay. Country name. Norway. Approximate days of processing, 4 times. 4 days. Max weight. Okay. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? Anyone? Does anyone know? Does anyone know? Green leaf books. Beige leaf books. Oh, 240 QR. What is that? 240 QR to NOK. Kategori, it's probably reals. So it's 580 kroner. Real. Or $2 for those who wants to know. $65. Okay. Now I know. Investor, do you have access to that, or is that just in Qatar? No, I'm giving you the open opportunity to be nice to me. Or is this Qatar, or do you have access to this one in Bahrain? Premium dates. I'm in Norway, not in Sweden. At the moment, at least. I knew there would be. Aww. But we give you all the love in this world, Denise, and you will prosper. You have become the supervisor. You are the woman. They need to rely on you, and you will fix anything that you set yourself out to fix. So we believe in you. Also, the whole point is premium dates. And then you are there, and then I don't want to send my email address or my address to anyone else, but because I got like, maybe that's that one. No, assorted, plain, not in choco. I don't know which one to choose either, because I got like this box here, probably this one. Where's the entry? Where's the? There it is. Ah, this one. Nom 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 nom. Anyways, what else? Yeah, I think that's that for this stream. I'm not gonna bother you guys anymore. I will jump over to Twitter's Nick's live today, and for those who does subscribe to my channel, there is going to be a G at some point of whatever I made in January. So there we go. 6,011 people. Thank you very much, everyone, for being here with me. I love you guys. I love you, family, and then we will take it from there. We will grow. We will do better. We will sleep more, and we will absolutely kill it. Okay? Have a good day. See you soon. Taz is sending out 3 Aussies. Oh, nice, Taz. Taz, you're sending me 3 Aussies. Oh. You're so kind. I didn't deserve it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much, Tess. Thank you. I didn't end the stream yet, so yeah. Thank you. I will help you as always. I will never give up on you, and yeah. Okay, people. Have a good day. Have a good day. You're very much welcome, Tess.